Eagles are majestic birds of prey renowned for their exceptional vision, powerful talons, and strong beaks. These raptors are known for their remarkable hunting prowess, with keen eyesight that allows them to spot prey from great heights. Eagles exhibit a wide range of sizes and colors, adapting to diverse habitats such as mountains, forests, and coastal areas. They build large nests, often in high locations, and are known for their strong territorial behavior. These iconic birds symbolize strength and freedom, and play important roles in various cultures and ecosystems.